Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you a bit of hidden storage space on the new Subnautica 2 Tadpole. So if you grab one of these portable storage units that you can find literally everywhere, you can actually use this as a piece of hidden storage on your Tadpole. You can actually attach a whole bunch of different stuff to this hard point on the back that you normally wouldn't be able to do anything with unless you have a specific item sitting in the on your hotbar when you actually want to put something here. So you can store your gun. It's basically just like the same wall mount display that you have inside of your base. You can put your gun on there. You can put your multi-tool on there. Whatever you don't seem to have room for, especially some spare storage. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.